Yeah, cause I don't want to be no snitch. I don't want to be no snitch. I see y'all locked up. Damn, some more look out, look out. They ain't got my boy per he in the lookout. Hey, it's the old lookout though, man. Still lookout though. Low to high. Alrighty, guys. The car weighs in at about 2,800 pounds. About a 410 gear. Power glide transmission. PTC converter. 10-inch nitrous.
Stay tuned to DFWSpeedSyndicate.com.
Alrighty,
real
guys.
money racing on Friday nights, flashlight style.
Uh-oh, here they come, y'all.
Coming up this next week. Stay posted.
Hey, Braxosaurus. Nitrous outlet, power glide transmission, small block, about a 450 shot of nitrous, one stage. Oh yeah, dude, this thing hauls ass. Freaking super light. Weighing in at about 2,400 pounds. This thing here is gutted. Alrighty, guys, right lane with the full pass. Used about a little bit over half a nitrous bottle. Y'all make sure to hit that like button, share, subscribe, do something. This is a good time. Be up there mopping up something. Where y'all going on this race right here?
if I can get me a couple shares in. Yeah. I'm gonna get here around 10. Hey. I'm trying to come after work. Yeah, that's what I gotta do. I'm waiting for somebody. I'm getting all my hoodies. I'm getting new hoodies, shirts, tank tops, hats, beanies, everything. Everything. You gotta help all your people, you know what I'm saying? I even got different colors. Gray, blue, red. I got the red. Left lane getting it, boy. That red thing getting it. I knew I picked the right car to put on my thumbnail.